Hi guys, it's me Woody. So today we're gonna go to Strawbery Farm. It's our first time to go there. So yeah, I think it's gonna be a long trip.
No, it's not. It's not a long trip.
Yay!
It's just 1 hour.
1 hour? That's a long trip. Hi guys!
Hi guys! Here is Ate Aya of KumazawaSisters. You introduce yourself, Ate. Why?
Her name is Aya Natalie or Kumazawa and she's 12 years old.
And what?
And she's
She's first year high school. In what? Don't say
Yep.
the school.
My sister
Ate.
has braces.
Where is Naomi?
At the front seat. Hi guys, so where are we at Strawbery Farm?
Not yet. Moving to part 2. Here, Ichigo Farm. Yeah. This one, Strawberry Garden, Ogishima.
Ogishima.
This one. That one. Strawberry Garden, Ogishima.
Mommy said it. And Ate I was doing something.
Not yet, not yet. Dapat
Tasty. Oh, okay, Daddy, okay.
doon pa.
Daddy, okay. Lite, okay. Ingay mo?
Isa pa lang.
Doko una, Daddy. Ako?
Doko una.
Huh?
Doko daw una.
こっち食べる
Ah, sa taas.
Oh, there. Oh, there.
Yummy.
Oh, there. Harap.
You go there, Naomi.
うん。
これこれナオ食べる大きい
Doko. Daddy, more.
あ食べる
I share mine.
Ay, sorry.
Oh. Sarap mo kanina.
Ha? Chiga.
追い出す
Ulit mo dyan. Ang laki.
Wow, it's not that big.
It's big. It's giant one.
Oh, come on, you eat. You eat a lot. Yeah.
大きいのいいよ使って
Look this. It's Daddy,
Ichigo? Is that Ichigo?
ダメだなまだ
In English, what's that?
Strawberry.
Wow.
あの小さいの
This one, no?
2つ
これ。
あそうそうそう
Yeah.
甘いよ
Bye bye.
これ取っちゃダメだよこれ
Bye bye. We're gonna eat you now.
Bye bye. Ichigo. We will eat you.
Come on, you eat. You get that. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Ow. wash your hands now. Come on. You wash your hands.
Mommy, can you hold this, please? No, wait lang. No, wait.
Now you wait. Come here. You line up here. You line up. Wow, uwi na si ate. So lucky. Wow. We don't have to buy it anymore. Right? Ano yan? Jam? Jam?
プリンプリン
Ah, pring.
どうも
Arigato. Okay. Soredake. Soredake. Ate,
Ingat.
ushika shita no? Doko?
Doon.
Malinis?
Hindi.
Oh my God. Ano? Masaya? Okay.
Sige.
Oh, ang bilis na.
No, stop, 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 stop.
What? Now.
I say I'm a dog, but I don't want that. Is that a goose? Or not? It is a goose. It's a crocodile. Look at, oh my god.
Be careful, ha?
Mommy, someone threw a paper on there. That's so bad.
It's not a paper. It's a plastic.
Oh.
Doko.
あれ
Doko.
あそこバードのあっち見えるなんで見えないのあそこでバードのところバードの向こう
Ayun, no? Ah, turtle.
そう
Sarap.
そうそう雨
Honto ni. Ah, honto da. Chisay.
だから汚い
So, after part, we're here at ramen. We're gonna eat. I'm hungry.
Okay, we're here.
I'm
This is tonkotsu ramen. Hi. You're hungry? Huh? Yummy. Is it yummy?
super yummy. Ah! I just broke my leg.
Still have your rice. Next, your rice.
I'm full.
Hmm?
I'm so. But why?
Now,
Why did I do this?
you have to cover it now. Manda expired.
これな
I'm done. Okay.
Very good. Wow. No, not yet done. You're not yet done.
Hi. So we have candy because I ate a lot. So yes, let's eat it. Mommy's there. Can we bilat? Can we bita?
What?
Can we wait? And Naomi has one also. Give me your candy. There. Oh, now show it to them. everybody. So, hello. Eat a lot too. And I have the candy too. That's like the same of my sister. But mine is, but mine is like different. Yes, mine is different. I love you. This one is it smells like chocolate. And this one chocolate. What is the smell? Strawberry. Chocolate. And strawberry. Mama, not love you anymore. Mama, not love you anymore. Mama, not love you anymore.
What are you making?
Tonjjiru.
Huh?
Tonjjiru.
Okay.
I'm just like
First?
mixing it around.
Yeah.
Put the onion inside. Next.
Next is the pork. You put the pork.
This one.
Yeah.
Like that. So we're done mixing. Actually, mommy mixed that, not
When
me.
the pork turns white.
Yeah. Potato, this one.
Yeah.
It's like an apple.
And also the daikon, the radish, and the ninchin,
The carrots.
carrots.
It's really good. I'm really good at this. I mean, I'm not good at this because mommy mixed a while ago. Not me.
Faster, you're so slow.
So this one? Yes. Bacon? Carrots.
Yeah. Okay, you mixed it.
Okay.
Oh my god. The radish powder. All of the ingredients.
Wait, the radishes stick together. Come out to the kitties.
And also this one, bebe.
Bread, please. Mommy, I'm gonna put it. Oh, yes.
That's konyaku.
So, mommy is already doing it. Yeah. See? Do the act naturally. We're gonna end this day with some juice. With some juice. Japanese sushi.
Yes.
And we have our cook here. Please
And
don't cheat.
tonjiru.
Don't
And
cheat.
tofu steak, right? This is Naomi's artwork.
Oh, ang hina. And at the back, Daddy.
And natto. Iwi.
Yes, Iwi.
And
It's not Iwi. Yes, Mommy, not to. And I draw that.
you draw that?
Because I know.
Yeah, it's so cute. The kirin. What's that? Kirin.
That?
In English, giraffe.
Yes.
Okay.
Because
This
I
is
love
my
giraffe.
tofu steak.
Ang liit naman, ang
And
liit
the
naman ni
tonjiru.
Mommy. Ang liit naman ni Mommy.
Oh. Let's start.
Shimashu.
Again.
Itadakimasu.
Very good. Oh, let's eat.
I love you.
Bye. Say bye now.
Bye. We're gonna show you later our food. And that's too. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye. Say bye.
Daddy.
Come bye.